Being all the way in Montana, I'm sure you've seen families in the southeastern part of the United States recovering from recent hurricanes, and you might feel like there's no way to help. However, there's a local Billings woman collecting donations in our very own backyard. Hundreds of pounds of donations for a community almost 2,000 miles away.
It went from, we're going to ship a few things by FedEx, to we may take a small trailer down and us take it ourselves, to now we have a freight trailer from Old Dominion that's coming to pick everything up next week.
Something that started out as a small donation drive at Granite Health and Fitness turned into truckloads of household donations for hurricane victims across the United States.
It just became this big thing, which started with one bag and then turned into this massive mounds of donations for people that truly, truly need it.
It's not only out of compassion, but also because these hurricanes hit a little too close to home.
East Tennessee was home to both of us for, 30 plus years.
Jones and her husband are from Appalachia, Tennessee, a portion of the United States that has been significantly impacted by Hurricane Helene. After seeing the damage to her home state, she knew she had to help.
We haven't forgot about y'all down south, I promise. And I know that you all will never forget about the things that are being sent down to you.
When Granite caught wind of Jones's efforts, they jumped on board, and members quickly followed suit.
I think just even if you brought in one donation, one box of crackers, whatever it may be, it's just playing a huge role.
We've only been here a couple of years, and we know a small portion of the people within this community, and they have shown up and they've shown out.
Thinking about the recovering families in Billings, Matt Carmack, MTN News.